welcome to tomorrow's update. Today, we're diving into a battle between two AI giants, ChatGPT and the new rising star, DeepSeek AI. With artificial intelligence evolving rapidly, the competition is heating up. But which AI model is truly the best? Let's break it down. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, has dominated the AI chatbot space for years. It's known for its advanced natural language processing, creative responses, and ability to handle a wide range of queries. Whether it's writing articles, coding assistance, or having deep conversations, ChatGPT has proven itself as a leader in AI assistance. But now, a new challenger has entered the scene, DeepSeek AI. DeepSeek AI is gaining attention because of its powerful reasoning capabilities and advanced problem-solving skills. Unlike ChatGPT, which sometimes struggles with complex logic, DeepSeek is designed to analyze and think critically before generating responses. This makes it better at handling mathematical problems, research-based queries, and factual accuracy. So, how do these two AI models compare? When it comes to creativity and conversation flow, ChatGPT still has the edge. It can generate stories, scripts, and creative writing with ease. However, for precise answers and structured data interpretation, DeepSeek AI is pushing the boundaries. But there's one major question: which one is the future of AI? OpenAI continues to update and improve ChatGPT, making it smarter with each version. Meanwhile, DeepSeek AI is designed to challenge existing models by focusing on deep understanding rather than just fast responses. This means that the future of AI might not just be about who is smarter, but who can think more like a human. What do you think? Will ChatGPT remain the king, or will DeepSeek AI take over? Let us know in the comments. And if you love future tech updates, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more content. Thanks for watching.